Okay, guys, this is 3.10 Designing an App Part 5, the final part. You guys have made revisions. You've done all the steps on this worksheet except the last reflection part. So basically what you guys are going to do, you've done 6 and 7 where you've got feedback. You've done the testing, got feedback. You've sent it to friends. They've given you improvements. You should have made those improvements and put those right here already. Step 8 is the last step. You guys are going to do the reflection. Make sure you read these entirely. These should be in complete sentences. Use punctuation and everything. Okay, 150 each. Make sure that before you turn your app in, you've looked at the rubric one more time. You want 5s on everything. So on your user interface screens, you want 5s. Okay, if not, go back and work on it just a little bit. Okay, so you can look through that. Basically, when you go to turn it in, I've already got this part assigned right now, but basically when you go to hit turn in, make sure, she said share, well we put share on here. When you click share, or actually when you hit add, I think on Google Classroom, and I can't show you because it's a student only version. So when you go to actually turn it in, you click add, and then I want you to click, you're going to click link and paste a link in. I'll show you. So you guys go down to Unit 3, Lesson 10, Submit Your App. You click on it. It should be already finished. Okay, and you'll click Share right here. You'll copy this. Okay, you'll click it and copy it. And then when you go to turn it in, you'll click Add, and then you'll click Link, and then you'll paste that in. And don't submit it right after that because now I've got to turn this worksheet in as well. So then you need to go click Add, Google Drive, and then turn that worksheet in. Okay. Once you guys get both of those finished, you are officially finished with your app and you're designing an app part everything. Okay. So make sure you read these directions. Make sure you've done everything that we've asked you to do right here. Watch the videos. If you have questions about your app, I guarantee you I can direct you to your videos and they'll answer almost every question. Okay, so make sure you watch all the videos and do all the assignments before you email me saying, how do we do this? And also ask a friend who's in the class as well. They can help you through it as well. So good luck, guys. We're going to start reviewing for a test tomorrow. I'll put up a study guide. On Monday, we'll do a Kahoot. And then Tuesday, we will test.